Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Word art is text that is created and formatted as if it were a shape. Therefore, you can use many of the same formatting techniques and styles that you use when formatting shapes to also modify word art. To insert word art into your publication, click the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then click the Word Art button that appears in the Text button group. Doing this displays a list of word art styles for you to select from in a drop-down menu. Click to select the style that you like to open the Edit Word Art Text dialog box. In this dialog box, enter the text that you want the word art to display into the text field. You can select the font to use from the Font drop-down. Then set a size for the font by using the Size drop-down. You can click either the bold or italics buttons to apply those to the text if desired. After typing the text for the word art to display, click the OK button to automatically insert the word art into the publication page. Now you can modify its properties by using the Format tab in the Word Art Tools Contextual tab located in the ribbon. Most of the buttons and groups displayed on this tab are the exact same ones that you can set for shapes, so you should view the lesson titled Formatting Shapes to learn how to format word art as well. However, note that there is a group at the left end of this tab called Text that is unique to word art. The buttons in this button group let you make changes to the text displayed in the word art. You can click the Edit Text button to reopen the Edit Word Art Text dialog box where you can edit the text if needed. You can click the Spacing button to display a drop-down menu of choices that lets you set the amount of spacing between letters in your word art. Clicking the Even Height button lets you make all of the letters in your word art the same height, both uppercase and lowercase. Clicking the Vertical Text button toggles the letters in your word art between a vertical and horizontal display each time that you click the button. Clicking the Alignment button lets you set the horizontal alignment of each line of text displayed within the word art.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.